Hey, what's up, man? This is your boy Chef Yomi. Welcome to my page, my channel, my community, my happy place, my office, my whatever you call it. So we're gonna be making chimichanga, and yeah, it's just like a fried cheesecake, just with a twist, with Yomi twist on it, and yeah. So let's just dive in and let's do this. Let's enjoy this sweet treats, okay? Yeah, I need my coffee. Yeah. So we will make our cinnamon sugar first. Very important. I put it right there. I shake it. You don't want it too pronounced with cinnamon. I think this is kind of too pronounced, so I add more sugar. Boom. So this is my cinnamon sugar, and you do that and you leave it aside, right? We're gonna be toasting our tortillas. So we don't want to toast it too hard. We just want to toast it slightly so it's soft, and yeah, so it's easy for us to fill it up. All-purpose flour. Whoop. You're going to need some water. So this is actually, I call this pastry glue. So if you notice in my kitchen, I don't be using the right utensils to do some side things, because this is a practical kitchen. This is what I do all the time. So if I was going to get everything perfect, I will not be having a lot of content. So, bro, this is real life chef life. You know, I do most of these things at home because that's the only way I could set up the studio. So bear with me. Actually, don't bear with me. Just understand, chef life is all about just getting it done, you know? You have to chase your goals, aspiration, regardless of what is going on around you. So for me, if I know I want to be on YouTube and I want to create more content to show people what I do, which is also an avenue of promoting my business, what I got going on every day, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just go for it, and which is what I do. Most of the time, I just go for it, man. So we will have this. Let me have it this way. In this bowl, you have a mashed cheesecake. What we do is we lay this out. Lay this out. See how soft it is? Boom. So we scoop it. I like doing this with the back of the fork, right? Like, you don't want to do like too much. Yes. Because when you do too much, it's like, it's gonna be hard to wrap, you know, and yeah. Just use that right there. That's about enough. That is right there. Trust me. People will talk about this at your party. Trust me. So you have the option of filling it up with extra stuff. Like in this case, I'm just gonna put caramel, right? In there. You can put jam, you can put strawberry jam and whatnot. But the taste has to complement itself. Like, you know, I'm not just gonna put something because it's something. You know, like for me, I think caramel and the cinnamon is a good combination. And with the vanilla in there, I think it's a good combination. Like I don't be doing too much. So see why I call this the glue, the pastry glue? Yeah, because it seals it. It seals everything in there. So your hand will be messy. People will be like, use gloves. No, this is not the kind of thing you use gloves. And trust me, if you want to complain about, oh, use gloves, use this. You eat pizza, right? Yeah, think about it. I don't want to spoil your pizza treat for you, but the most reliable tool a chef possesses is his hands. You know, after his hands, then knife, right? So the more control I have on my hand, the more perfect I can make things. My hand is my biggest tool, okay? And my most reliable tool. So that being said, you kill more germs by washing your hands consistently. right? You wash your hands, you keep it clean, safe, because it will keep you fast in the kitchen. Keep it in the freezer for a little bit. So I'm gonna keep it in the freezer to solidify the pastry glue that I made, so everything is like firm, so you don't bust in the hot oil when I fry. So we're gonna leave that in for like the longer the better actually, but you don't want it to be frozen inside. So I'll leave it for about 5 minutes right now. I'll go do some other things and we will fry it and be ready. So look at that. This is where the cinnamon powder comes in. The cinnamon sugar. This is where it comes in. Look how crispy it is. Whew. So you put this, because the reason why I like in a tight container is so I can shake it. It looks evenly incorporated. Look at that. So then I do that. Yeah. Just like that. So this is to one of my subscribers that called me out on my comment section on my last video for the soup, chicken and dumpling soup. Okay, if you've not seen it, you can, I would attach it somewhere around here so you can go check it. The subscriber said the only thing that was missing in the video is plating. So I'm sorry about that. I've taken into I took the comments in. So in this video, I'm going to be plating the chimichanga, the dessert chimichanga, the way I would like to plate it. Okay, you're gonna need a sharp knife, and I'll cut it in an angle, right, like that. Boom. So because this is right caramel, I'll do this. I'll skewer it like that. And, I like it like that. Yeah, because this is caramel with the skewer like that. Let me put this away. Put this, because I need to do this right full. And put it right there, right? And because that is caramel in there, I would like to go like this with a little bit of raspberry. Boom. Look at that. Thank you for hanging out with me, making this beautiful chimichanga dessert. I think it's a great dessert that could be on the table for Christmas. Make this with your family, put your twist on it, and you guys just have a Merry Christmas and happy eating. Chef Yomi.